Today we have the iPad. Its touch is broken. The model number of this iPad is A1823. No problem, let's fix it. First of all, its screen guard will be removed with the help of a heat. You can remove it with the help of a thin plastic card. With the help of a heat gun, you can remove the touch very easily. Disconnect the connector on a new touch. The touch. Install the display and connect its connector as well. Check the touch. You can see the touch is working very well.